I look at coaching as not just a great career path, not just a challenging way to grow and develop yourself, but I look at coaching as kind of the ultimate inspiration for becoming your best self, for actually living your best life. Okay, so what do I mean by that? When you realize that your life is your marketing as a coach, right? That it really comes down to when you meet someone or get referred or talk to someone, that they're looking at you and your life, and they're at a subconscious level asking themselves, do I want to be more like that? And if so, then you're going to be attractive as a coach. And if they're saying, no, I don't want my life to look more like that, then you're not going to be attractive to them as a coach. Well, then it inspires you to remember, oh, yes, I want to make the most of my life. Let me ask this. Is there anyone here who doesn't want to be in the best physical shape you can be, to be the happiest, right, and the most connected to others you can be, and to be growing and learning and challenging and inspiring yourself the most you can every day? Is there anyone here who doesn't want to be in the best physical health, have the best relationships, and to be learning as much as you possibly can? I'm just going to click through. I'm actually going to look and see if there's anyone here who doesn't want those things. I don't see any hands going up here. Okay. Well, Main Bob, you raised your hand for a sec. No, he didn't. He's waving at me. You're just waving, huh? Okay, good. Okay, good. I was like, whoa, I got to know. And it's you. So I'm like, what's happening here? I think you were just agreeing with me, right? That's what it is. Okay, cool. So look at that here, everyone. How did we get, a few hundred people, and none of us, right? There isn't anybody here who's saying that they don't want to be in their best physical shape, be the happiest, have the best relationships, and then, learn and grow and really challenge themselves. So what is coaching? Coaching is your opportunity to actually do it. When you realize that your life is your marketing, it actually makes you wake up in the morning and say, maybe I should run my exercise and what I eat like a business. Maybe I should really get it nailed, absolutely fine-tuned. Maybe I should run my emotions and my relationships like a business, meaning maybe I should sit down and say, is there anyone that I'm in a conflict with? Is there anyone that I have resentment? Are there any family members that we've got kind of broken relationships, and I should go and fix those, and I should work this out? Maybe I should run my learning and my development like a business, and I should make sure that every day I'm reading, every day I'm challenging myself to learn and do something new. Yeah. So this is kind of one of my favorite aspects of coaching, is to use it as the leverage, to get leverage on yourself so that you become your potential, that you really do it.